Imagine this. You're 65 years old and your energy levels are at an all-time low. You used to enjoy walks, gardening, or even playing with your grandchildren. But now you're battling bloating, irregular digestion, and constant fatigue. Doctor visits only provide temporary relief, and you're left wondering what's going wrong. A Japanese doctor, Dr. Hiromi Shinya, who spent decades studying the gut, has a groundbreaking message. Most diseases in people aged 60 to 85 start in the gut. From arthritis to diabetes and even cognitive decline, the health of your gut might be the missing puzzle piece. Let's unpack this, starting with the gut's role in overall health and why ignoring it can trigger a cascade of health issues in older adults. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a pioneer in the field of gastroenterology, has spent decades studying the gut. His Shinya method, a breakthrough in colonoscopy, highlights the critical role the gut plays in overall health. After treating over 300,000 patients, Dr. Shinya discovered something alarming. Poor gut health often leads to chronic illnesses. So, what's causing this domino effect? Let's explore some of the key factors. Weakened gut lining. As we age, the lining of the gut becomes less effective at protecting the body. Think of the gut lining as a safety net. Over time, wear and tear create tiny holes, allowing harmful substances like toxins and bacteria to slip through. This is called leaky gut syndrome. For example, Sarah, a 68-year-old retiree, noticed that her joint pain and skin rashes worsened over time. After a gut health test, her doctor found significant inflammation caused by a leaky gut. Addressing her gut health with dietary changes reduced her symptoms within months. Studies show that 70% of older adults with chronic conditions, such as heart disease or arthritis, have underlying gut inflammation. This inflammation often sets off an autoimmune response. Instead of protecting the body, the immune system begins attacking healthy tissues. Decline in beneficial bacteria. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, which work like a team to keep your body healthy. Some fight off harmful bacteria, while others help digest food and absorb nutrients. But by the time you turn 60, the variety of these bacteria significantly declines. Imagine a vibrant garden with diverse plants. Over time, some plants die, leaving the soil barren. The gut works in a similar way. Without enough diversity, harmful bacteria take over, causing imbalances. Research from Kyoto University found that people over 60 experience a 50% drop in gut bacteria diversity. This can lead to frequent infections, weaker immunity, and even mental health struggles like anxiety or depression. For instance, Tom, a 72-year-old man, experienced constant fatigue and brain fog. Once he began incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and fermented vegetables into his diet, his energy levels improved within weeks. Digestive inefficiency. As you age, your body produces less stomach acid and fewer digestive enzymes. These are crucial for breaking down food. Without them, digestion slows, leading to bloating, constipation, or even malnutrition. Take Mary, a 74-year-old who loved eating fruits and vegetables, but often felt bloated afterward. Her doctor explained that her body wasn't producing enough enzymes to process the fiber. Adding a digestive enzyme supplement to her routine made her meals enjoyable again. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology revealed that up to 40% of adults over 65 experience digestive issues related to enzyme deficiencies. When food isn't digested properly, it can sit in the stomach, fermenting and producing gas. This discomfort often leads to poor nutritional choices, hence the need for better supplementing. Systemic impact on other organs. The gut's influence goes beyond digestion. Dr. Shinya warns that when harmful substances leak from the gut into the bloodstream, they can affect major organs like the heart and brain. For example, toxins entering the bloodstream can trigger inflammation in the brain. This inflammation has been linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease. A 2019 study from Osaka University found that older adults with gut imbalances were 30% more likely to develop dementia. John, a 70-year-old retired engineer, started forgetting names and misplacing items. His doctor recommended improving his gut health by eating more prebiotic foods like bananas and garlic. Within months, his memory and focus improved. Here's the good news. Dr. Shinya believes gut health can be dramatically improved. Even for those aged 60 to 85, his approach focuses on natural, sustainable lifestyle changes that are backed by science. Let's dive into the practical steps he recommends. Number 1. A plant-based diet with minimal animal protein. Dr. Hiromi Shinya believes that a plant-based diet is the cornerstone of good gut health. Foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains are rich in fiber and nutrients that nourish your body and feed your gut bacteria. These foods provide prebiotics, the essential fuel that good bacteria need to thrive. For example, a 68-year-old patient of Dr. Shinya suffered from joint pain and chronic indigestion. She switched to a diet consisting of 80% plant-based meals and limited her intake of red meat to just once a week. Within 6 months, her joint pain decreased significantly and her digestion improved. Blood tests revealed a 40% drop in markers of inflammation. If you're considering a plant-based diet, fermented foods like miso, natto, and kimchi are excellent additions. These natural probiotics help replenish beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting balance and reducing harmful bacteria. Number 2, avoid processed foods and sugary beverages. Processed foods may be convenient, but they harm your gut health. Dr. Hiromi Shinya explains that artificial sweeteners, additives, and sugary drinks upset the balance of gut bacteria. They encourage the growth of harmful bacteria such as Clostridium difficile. This can lead to serious digestive problems like bloating, cramping, or even infections. Excess sugar is particularly harmful. It creates a favorable environment for bad bacteria to thrive. A study by Tokyo Medical Center found that people consuming more than 30 grams of sugar daily are 60% more likely to develop gut disorders. For instance, a 70-year-old man drank 2 sugary sodas every day and often ate packaged snacks like chips and cookies. He experienced constant bloating, gas, and low energy. After consulting his doctor, he replaced sodas with water and snacks with fresh fruit. He also used small amounts of honey as a natural sweetener. Within 3 months, his digestion improved and he felt more energetic. Avoiding processed foods doesn't mean giving up convenience entirely. Simple swaps, like choosing whole grain bread over white bread or unsweetened yogurt over flavored varieties, can make a big difference. Natural alternatives can satisfy cravings without harming your gut. For example, instead of eating candy, try a handful of dried figs or dates. Replace sugary drinks with herbal teas or fresh coconut water. Processed foods also often contain preservatives and chemicals that your body doesn't need. Sticking to fresh whole foods ensures you're getting nutrients that support your gut instead of hurting it. Taking small, consistent steps can lead to big improvements in how you feel every day. Number 3, proper hydration is key. Water is essential for gut health. It helps keep the gut lining strong and supports smooth digestion. Without enough water, digestion slows and constipation becomes more likely, especially in older adults. Dr. Hiromi Shinya emphasizes the importance of drinking 6 to 8 glasses of purified water daily. Sipping water throughout the day is better than drinking large amounts at once. He also advises against drinking too much water during meals. Doing so can dilute digestive enzymes, making it harder for your body to break down food effectively. For example, a 72-year-old woman often felt bloated and struggled with irregular bowel movements. She rarely drank water, relying mostly on tea and coffee. After following her doctor's advice, she made a simple change: drinking a glass of water every 2 hours. Within a few weeks, her digestion improved. She experienced regular bowel movements, less bloating, and more energy throughout the day. Proper hydration also helps maintain the mucus layer in the gut, which acts as a protective barrier against harmful substances. When you're dehydrated, this barrier weakens, increasing the risk of gut irritation and infections. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Start your day with a glass of room temperature water. Carry a reusable bottle to remind yourself to drink regularly. Avoid sugary drinks or sodas, as they can harm gut bacteria. These simple steps ensure your gut stays hydrated and healthy. Number 4, regular colon cleansing practices. A clean colon is crucial for gut health. Dr. Shinya advises using natural methods, such as eating fiber-rich foods, to keep the digestive system functioning optimally. Fiber acts like a broom for your digestive tract. Foods like oats, chia seeds, and leafy greens help sweep away toxins and prevent constipation. Studies show that consuming 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily reduces the risk of gut issues by 30%. For example, a 65-year-old man included more high-fiber foods like lentils and broccoli in his meals. This small change improved his digestion and reduced bloating within weeks. Dr. Shinya emphasizes avoiding medications for constipation unless absolutely necessary, as they can disrupt the natural rhythm of the gut. Number 5, gentle exercise to support gut motility. Exercise benefits more than just your heart. It's also essential for gut health. Physical activity helps move food through your digestive system, reduces stress hormones, and supports a healthier balance of gut bacteria. A study from Tokyo University followed adults aged 65 to 80 who walked 30 minutes a day for 12 weeks. The results were impressive. Participants experienced fewer digestive issues and a 25% boost in beneficial gut bacteria. These findings highlight how even moderate exercise can significantly improve gut health. Low-impact activities like yoga and tai chi offer additional benefits. These exercises pair gentle movements with stress reduction, enhancing communication between your gut and brain. For example, a 69-year-old woman dealing with frequent bloating began practicing yoga 3 times a week. Within a month, she noticed less discomfort and increased energy levels. You don't need to spend hours exercising to see results. A simple daily routine, such as brisk walking, stretching, or even light dancing, can be enough to keep your gut functioning optimally. Consistency is key. Regular movement keeps your digestive system active, prevents sluggishness, and fosters a more diverse gut microbiome. Gentle exercise is a practical, enjoyable way to maintain gut health while improving overall well-being. It's never too late to start moving for better digestion and a healthier you. Number 6, stress management for a happier gut. Your gut is closely linked to your nervous system, earning it the nickname second brain. Chronic stress disrupts this connection, causing digestive problems like bloating, abdominal pain, and even inflammation. Research backs this up. A study in the Journal of Aging and Health revealed that seniors who practiced mindfulness meditation reduced gut symptoms by 50%. This shows how relaxation techniques can directly improve gut health. A simple but effective approach is deep breathing. Just 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Diaphragmatic breathing in particular is easy to practice. Inhale deeply through your nose, let your stomach rise as you fill your lungs, and exhale slowly. This technique calms your nervous system, promoting better digestion. For instance, a retired teacher experiencing stress indigestion began a daily breathing routine. After 1 month, her symptoms significantly improved. She also felt calmer and more in control of her stress. Incorporating other stress-reducing habits like light exercise, journaling, or even listening to calming music can amplify these benefits. The goal is to create a sense of relaxation that allows your gut to function optimally. By managing stress, you're not just helping your mental health, you're giving your gut a chance to heal and thrive. Even small efforts like mindful breathing can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Number 7, periodic fasting. Periodic fasting gives your gut the chance to rest and repair. Dr. Hiromi Shinya advocates for spacing out meals instead of constant grazing throughout the day. This break helps the digestive system work more efficiently and reduces strain. Research supports this approach. Studies show that intermittent fasting boosts the production of gut hormones like GLP-1, which regulate appetite and improve digestion. These hormones also enhance gut motility, helping food move smoothly through your system. For example, a 66-year-old man struggled with acid reflux and indigestion for years. After adopting an intermittent fasting routine, eating within an 8-hour window, and fasting for the remaining 16 hours, he noticed significant improvements. Within 2 months, his acid reflux episodes decreased and his digestion felt smoother and more predictable. Fasting doesn't mean extreme deprivation. It simply involves adjusting meal timings. For beginners, a 12-hour fasting window, such as from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., can be a good start. Over time, you can extend this period as your body adapts. Periodic fasting can also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, both of which benefit gut health. Pair this practice with nutrient-dense meals during your eating hours, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. The key is consistency. Even small adjustments, like eliminating late-night snacks, can make a difference. By giving your gut time to reset, you're not only improving digestion, but also supporting overall health. Fasting doesn't mean skipping meals entirely. Instead, plan your eating times to allow longer breaks between meals. This can help reset your gut and improve its efficiency over time. The gut is not just an organ, it's the command center for your health. Dr. Shinya's decades of research have shown that by focusing on your gut, you can unlock a healthier, more vibrant life even after age 60. Remember, small, consistent changes yield big results. Start by adding more fiber to your meals, drinking enough water, and managing your stress levels. These simple steps could be the key to preventing chronic diseases and enjoying your golden years to the fullest. So, ask yourself, is your gut getting the care it deserves? It's never too late to take action. Your health is in your hands, and the time to start is now.